Look at this, guys.
Right on the back.
This is the swan. It's so beautiful. Yeah. It's so good, man. It's just a pond. Actually, I'll say it after the video. I'm filming right now. Yep.
And we are still waiting for the
Chase the star right here. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, whoa! What was that?
You're getting dive bombs. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna keep this on the camera now.
That butterfly wanted a piece of you.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm keeping out on camera then. You guys are gonna see that and oh my gosh. Scary animals. Right here.
Well, which one would you say is better?
See if I could go here very fast. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened back there. Yeah, look at how fluffy they are. Look at those ducks right there. Or excuse me, geese. Let me know in the comments on how do you use them in a possessive noun or possessive verb, or I don't know. Let me know. But look at those geese. Goose, whatever. I mean, it's a geese, yeah. But still, let me know. It's pretty interesting seeing them here, guys. And yeah, just wanted to bring you guys here just a little bit, or folks, I guess, a little bit here. They're just right here. And
like, you know how there's like a waterfall right there?
so yeah, guys.
Yeah, if you go over there, you can see it.
All right, say it again. What's going on with the geese?
It's a geese invasion.
Yeah. I'm here with Chase the Star.
What up?
Subscribe to his channel, guys.
Please.
Yeah, support him. We were just taking a little walk and we just saw some geese there. Like, what the heck? Remember those turkey videos that I did? I was like, there's a turkey in my backyard.
The title of this one is geese.
Yo. All right. Okay, I see now. There's a close neighbor going on right now. There's those geese. You know, whatever you say that.
Are everywhere.
Look at them. Oh, can I zoom? There we go. There, look at that. Comment down below if you guys ever had that before. I'm just here looking at them. It's interesting. Interesting.